Before I got locks, I thought the biggest change was gonna just be my hair. I thought I'll just simply switch hairstyles and that'll be it. But what I didn't realize was getting locks would impact so many different areas of my life. My confidence changed, the way I viewed beauty changed, the amount of time I spent doing my hair changed. Y'all, the money I spent changed. Even the way people interact with me changed. So if you're thinking about getting locks, currently starting your lock journey, or you had locks for a couple of years and can relate, today I'm sharing everything that changed once I started my lock journey. Now, even some of these surprised me more than I expected. So if you're interested in seeing what those are, keep on watching. Hey guys, it's your girl So Fine. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are not, you know what it is. Let's get into this video. Now let's start with the biggest change, my confidence. Now I want to be clear, locks didn't magically give me confidence overnight. And it's not like I didn't have confidence before, like I thought I was an ugly girl. Never that. But locks definitely helped me to become more comfortable with myself. When I first started my locks, I spent less time worried about styling and doing my hair to make it look like something it wasn't. Like I used to have relaxed hair and I used to always want my hair to be nice and bone straight, have my weaves, have my wigs, have all of this, and it's not always gonna work out. I stopped fighting my texture, I stopped chasing perfection, and I had stopped worrying about where every strand of my hair was if it wasn't laying flat, because that was also very stressful. And somewhere along the way, I learned to accept myself for who I am. Because honestly, locks taught me patience, and it taught me to appreciate growth. One of the biggest reasons a lot of people start locks because they want a lower maintenance hairstyle. And honestly, that turned out to be true for me. Now, before y'all jump in the comments, yes, having locks, you still need to do maintenance. You still gotta wash them. You still gotta moisturize them. You still gotta protect them. You still gotta care for your scalp. But compared to me always having to style my hair every morning, figuring out what I was gonna do, when I was gonna wash it, when I was gonna braid it down, like doing all those different nuances, detangling, yo. Detangling, I used to hate detangling. But overall, my routine is so much simpler. I spend significantly less time dealing with my hair and more with the things that really matter to me. And that's a freedom that I didn't really fully appreciate until I experienced it. Now, this was unexpected and I didn't really think this was a thing, but people notice locks. Like whether they're curious, inspired, or simply just admiring them, locks tend to attract a lot of attention. I've had complete strangers ask me, how long have you had your locks? Are those all yours? How do you wash them? And y'all, even can I touch them? Sometimes they don't even ask, they just touch it. Bruh. Please do not go around touching people's hair. Don't. At least ask. Don't just touch people's hair. But seriously, locks have often become a lot of conversation starters for me. And depending on where you live or where you're from, a lot of people are fascinated by them. Sometimes it's positive, sometimes it's annoying, you know, it could be both. But one thing I noticed for sure is I get noticed a lot with my locks. Now, let's talk about the financial side, because nobody warned me about this benefit. Before I had locks, I spent so much money. I had to spend it on products, on hair appointments, tools, extensions, treatments, bruh, the list goes on. And while having locks, lock maintenance still costs money, it's nowhere nearly as much as I spent when I was loose natural or even relaxed. I'm not constantly buying products. I'm not constantly jumping on some bandwagon of what's new in the hair industry, what's new in the beauty industry. I'm not spending hours trying to maintain a style to last only a couple of days. Like my styles will last me weeks. I'm not spending hours trying to make a hairstyle every day. My routine became more streamlined and my wallet definitely appreciated it. But now everyone's experience is different. For me, locks helped me cut out a lot of unnecessary spending. Now, before locks, I viewed beauty through a very specific kind of lens. Like everything had to be neat. Everything had to be controlled, had to be a nice finish. And actually locks does the opposite of that. Some of my favorite lock moments were when my hair looked the most ruthless of it all. I needed a retwist bad, but I had no problem stepping outside and being that girl. Like, there's something about your hair just being natural, being textured, authentic. And locks helped me to unleash that type of beauty in a different way. It felt more or less on perfection and more on individuality. Like I myself. Like nobody has my locks. And that's what makes it so fascinating to me. And I feel like nobody talks about this enough. Locks teaches patience. You definitely cannot rush the lock journey. You can't skip straight from day 1 to year 5. And you can't force maturity overnight. There are stages. There's the starter lock, the budding, the frizz, the shrinkage, the teenage, the thickening, the maturation, like when it gets mature. And literally every stage requires patience. At first, I'm not gonna lie, it was frustrating. It was, y'all, hard. But locks reminded me like the best transformations happen slowly. Don't rush it. And honestly, that's a lesson that I've carried into multiple areas of my life. Patience. Now, before we wrap it up, let's keep it real. Not everything changed. Those are just a couple of things that have changed in my life. And getting locks didn't magically solve all my problems. And it definitely didn't eliminate bad hair days. That's still a thing sometimes. But what locks did do is give me a different relationship with my hair. And a lot of ways with myself too. And I feel like that's the real transformation. So all in all, that's basically everything that has changed since I've gotten locks. I am coming up on 6 years in October of 2026. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for this journey has given me so far. And I know that there's so much more coming. We have officially hit waist length. Now we get down to booty length. Now I want to hear from you guys. If you have locks, what is the biggest thing that has changed since starting a lock journey? Or if you're thinking about getting locks, what's this change that you're most looking forward to? Leave a comment down below and we gonna chat. But all in all, if you guys enjoy this video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more lock content. I love making these videos for you guys. You can also comment down below any other video suggestions, anything that you guys would like me to answer, any questions that you may have. I'm an open book. I will tell you everything that you need to know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay cute and stay fine.